Absolutely, come on.
We don't know any fucking birds.
You cunt. You know fucking too many birds, you cunt. Come on.
Shred, you know me.
I do.
What birds do I know now?
What are you talking? Come on.
What birds could you actually get back here?
I don't know.
Like a horse. What's the story with that? You do that all night.
Sorry, it's like, come on.
Do what? I don't know any birds back. I don't know any birds.
You do, man. You do.
I do in Galway like that.
A few.
Where are they? Around here now, where am I going to get a bird?
I know. Fucking hell.
Bring your cousin or ask her if she any fucking friends. Why
No,
don't you
fuck
hang on
that
her a
shit.
bit more and try to fucking see if she's a friend?
She's a fucking yak. That's what we.
Yeah, but she might have nice friends.
Oh, dude.
Yeah?
Mm.
What's her name?
Karen.
Carolyn.
Mm.
She seems nice enough. She seems sound. Has she not any nice friends, no?
Dude, no. Jesus Christ, man. No. What the fuck we doing, man? What we doing?
I don't know. Give her a buzz, see where she is.
You go out with that fucking picture, man.
What's her phone? Oh, I know.
Give us a look, man. Give us a look.
Sorry, fucking video McGrath again.